Hello guys, here's another question. An engine of a car of power 80 kilowatt moves on a rough road with a velocity of 32 meters per second. Is that clear? The force required to bring it to rest is, what is the force? Solution. The given data or parameters include our power is given to be 80 kilowatt, and that will be converted to be 80,000 watt. Is that clear? Then our velocity is given to be 32 meters per second, and our F, which is force, is unknown. But recall that power is equal to work over time. That's the work done. Is that clear? And work done is equal to force multiplied by distance. I hope that is clear to you. Then, if we merge this together by substituting for work, then power will now equal force times distance over time. Is that clear? But recall also that distance over time is velocity. Can you see that? Let's calculate. Yes. Hence, by substituting also, we now have power to be force multiplied by velocity. I hope this is clear. Now, if we make force the subject of the formula, then we have power over velocity. I hope it is clear to you. Substituting F is equal to 80,000 divided by 32. Hence, F is equal to 2,500 Newton. Is that clear? Or we can say F is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 Newton. Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.